chitibu. Tunda chitibu. Yele 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 tuwa no muwe. Yele tunda chitibu. Yele jamwe mwetu. Yele.
It don't reach for that side from Banga, and 10 o'clock it don't reach for that side from Twi. 10 o'clock for that side from Bangasina, and 10 o'clock for side for Bafia. We salute all man where it don't shit down for funny television for see wait with the new prophet for Cameroon. A get for preaching today for you Christian them. What is the main news? We could enter for inside strong number. Strong number today na palava waiting. We could enter palava operation where na Colonel Jean-Pierre where it don't open kata. He said this so. Palava 20 May it come side for Bafia. Ndikini Miki and for side for Makinini. They say they saw bad people them they should for that side and they operate now for night. They say they saw Mbanga too. Ide na with this countryman with na colonel for central region for side for gendarmerie. He don't talk say they saw he get for come out that bad people them with their hand he not clean for inside this chapter. Now with the tonton the last cash plenty Mbanga cash money and Okada life with themselves they don't kill driver a take them. Time they come where you say you go hip eye for Siam in the proper. We could talk again. This another strong number now brigade from Pombre, brigade for Pombre, where their commandant commandant Sedo Abakachi alias Kalash, where he don't do again another good work for that side for Garwa. Now in that way it talk. This man he talks say this so ye and ye boy them they don't come out they worker then catch some boy we complain don't come for the table plenty say some military man in the tonton it kill people and take the Okada and it block house them enter carry people that kako na way gendarmerie national for Pombre then tonton sote then catch the man as when I go see him small time we come on now we go enter for side for Douala for side for Bonaberi for C road where they come up for side for Ndobo for going for that side for Abattoir road it don't scatter for night how the road it be we go see him for with strong number now time this way right in for that road they say it is so na denye godron pavier so for come up for the time where they it don't dark big leg where they for that side it disturb people them and it cause traffic for come up for side for right Bodaberi go for Abattoir use yourself him na woman where they will belle it get for born for road with the back those where they be in charge me they look inside the matter because it not the work at all sense to read for sharp morning time it talk say waiting sense to read for sharp morning time it tell we say song where hunter man they sing them they go for hunting no not the same song where they sing them for turn back song where hunter man they sing them time where they go hunting no not the same song where they sing them for turn back person we sing them for we na Pa Boris it is she done for that side for Babisi and na for side for Northwest Cameroon. Woman we support them, they call them na Mal Delphine Samba where it is she done for side for Omispor for that side for Douala. Na ISSF is support the same story. Francois could now win the game. When one come back, we could enter for inside the talk. We'll come back. We is also beg we country people and say one thing they way when I get for doing. And number two thing too is they way when I get for doing. When I hear no. First thing way when I get for doing now say me when I try way for the share the link for Facebook. Facebook link it be important say me share. Because no man outside way light it there for inside country. When I hear no country people. So with the beg when I say this so when the program start if you decide we like, they follow we for your phone. Make sure say you like the link. Some place they where they talk say like, you just touch them. That means anytime we would live, you say you would watch we for sideway day. Make sure say me I come be too, know them. Make sure say this so me your enemy too, get the link. So the name for the Facebook page now General Moko Njangi House LTM. General Moko Njangi House LTM. As adjutant chef Gerard, he don't finish connect himself for that site where he did. Now we get for enter and I beg any person. Yes, say number 2 now say when the program don't start, no call this number where you see am. This number we there for television for now. No call them. You feel send with a message for tell we wait will happen. Or say where you should don't for watch the program. Yes. Maybe enter now for chapter 1 now. Palava this operation where this countryman Colonel Jean-Pierre he don't come out and for side for Bafia, Ndikinimiki and for side for Makenene. They say this all this janam them. They prepare now for see how peace he get for be, how disorder he no go there for 20 men and for Labor Day for inside country. Now anyway operation, the operation it take place now for 9 nights and now inside this one way they call am now for center region as we see now the big man is for Janamiri where yes said be first day for Douala but they don't send it for this side for center region because of the good way work am. So they don't gather all them now in this way they talk this man now man way he don't do plenty work for inside Janamiri for Cameroon. So yes said it talks to this so but people them the day for side for Bafia, Ndikinimiki and for Makenene. So now them this where they enter and now road where they take am for enter that side for Ndikinimiki. So camera for ATM it will be follow on to for CM because I get for CM so that me mop it talk am here it go take am and then it distribute am for sideway a one go. Nambanga where when I want CM Nambanga that and cocaine is there for the even thing where they call say tramol and tramadol they will catch them for that night because then surprise those where they make this business. So yeah now side where they don't reach for play where they call them for Ndikinimiki they say they so business it pass here for 9 nights and even people them they talk to this so they sell bone for people there for that side. Now we touch them for Janamiri it come out the ram the whole compound plenty kako they come out up even Okada where they don't even if it come out for inside this Dumont where when I see them so they talk say also papa they picking he says he no one talk now we sham morning time man we not get ID card he says them must down for down and then they complain Okada where they don't key Okada people them seize that machine see knife where they use them see gun where they get them and it there for inside village people then they see them but they refuse to talk tramol and tramadol the day and this one Nambanga money where they will catch them 250 something thousand where they catch them catch and this seat now seat from Banga they say there's so 10 kilo it cost 1 million francs. So now way this commandant for side for Makenene it talk now time this way they will go back because operation it don't finish. We also remain for inside matter for Janamiri me we go now for side for Garwa this one now brigade for Pompomre I say brigade for Pompomre and then for side for Garwa commandant for brigade for Pompomre they call him Sedo Abakachi alias Kalash now that way they talk ye and you both them then come out then work out because news if you don't enter them and they don't get kind complain for the table say they so a matter in the hand bone for side for Galwa. He asked and which matter complain the show say they so some military man in the way they kill Okada people them take Okada go sell them they broke people that door enter any woman we see them he get for rep them for before you massa rep them for before their parents now they countermand this and he went now close for a military and when now be and the detail we say they so this man if he don't go a military work after he run and then he go join now group 40 people them with gun from governor with the Assam whether they so this close for B it come over outside for you because if he show say they so this man he don't even kill some army for B sometimes he carry all you close them so you see him he don't wear them time where they for Garwa town. Oh man, he knows say they so he says be capra chef and where he says it be nothing. Even eyeglasses will be them that use them. Now he will get them. The up now the one for B, the one for down now the one for B, and the shoe now the one for B. He even get watch where now watch for B them. So this one they ask plenty question whether they so this close them it come up outside. Sometimes this man he be watch them and then dry them before they can carry them. Man enough know, but if they say they be watch them, they know they ever watch a spectacle. Or eyeglasses. Even mayo, when a mayo for B, where they take him for go make sport, this man he get him for inside his core. That means for inside his back. Now in this, in the show, now say this so he be big complete. Now anyway, brigade for Pompomre, he talks to this so you say you get for Tewi, how manage you do forget all this kako. Inside this bag, now so bag for B, now for the way all kako come out. Yes, now B the bag that. Also this man don't come out with all this kako. Question. And how manage in return with them for inside Garwa they cause Can confusion. And people that know him, they know the talk. Because for Cameroon, we know say wait till Monday, but we know the show him for police and for gendarme for saying they catch him. Because when Timman a thief, they can't hide. Now for Big Mommy, he on Dumont. When you go for guard the new bed for Douala, when they see poster, one time now Mommy the way she done the same jansa, where they hide the poster. As the Timman one time send them one, Mommy don't she done on top. And then you work out find Timman way poster just there for your corner. So confident not there for any person again. Where you don't know you find. So when you look at me, you see this so Mayo for take a go make spot. He says every get and that we say sometime then the suspect say they so don't kill B man and then he take all he kako. Anyhow they brigade for Pompomre is also the do na own work as we say we do we own work. Although when we meet up for free, some people they not understand say this so today man they work with police and gendarme. Yes, when the one say they say no fee ma'am, no fee ma'am, we don't fee ma'am. Yes, and we get the right for FEMA. So best for people them where he took them for machine, take that machine and then seize all thing. Identity card, voting card, all is there for you. When they ask him, you be military man, all these documents are on. He say yes. When the one look this one, they say now Amido. Yes, now Amido he on a birth certificate that they see even Ma Helen he on identity card for inside. That means say it don't turn na woman now. So with the time brigade for Pompomre for the work where they don't work am. Me we talk now Palava Barroad for come up for side for ride Bonaberi for go reach for Abattoir place where money they come up plenty. Now condition for the road that and when we the social the show now. And story no enter to the man say they so the road it is so they don't get a contractor start a work after a labor halfway. And then council for site for Bonaberi. He can't say this so he went a pass with Caterpillar for put gravel. Many people and be free for that side. He can't do it on and then it last disappear. Population when they should over that side for Carrefour Station Polo, they can't die and die because of this route. If you should over that quarter where your woman in the labor, you want going with Avo Bonasama, it could not born for the route. It not go reach for hospital at all. Now inside town, no, I'm saying that for some village. Now inside town for Bonaberi, and when some company there for the way they call and say, Solepa, and when for the way they slaughter all cow for inside Douala, and for one day they slaughter more than 1,000 cow for site for Abattoir for Bonaberi. But when they pay tax for council, when they slaughter one cow, they pay tax for council. Council will take that money why you know the LB population, although election can't reach and where they sing song say me any man a go register. Let the road. I say now big like that. Say when motor them get for pass, motor them where they go up, they the inside take na road from motor where they come down. Because no man and no one swim for inside this fish pond. No man no one swim for inside this fish pond. Man where they say plan and where they pay patang, yes it get bad market because no man enough come swim for inside water for buy plan. And where no be normal. But if it's also pay patang, if it's also pay patang, Okada, it pay import laboratoire, but work for inside war route. Tire the boss. Minute the day for garage. It no look fine. This one for daytime. This one for daytime countryman. Me we still go now for site for Abattoir for come for site for Ndobo. Can't reach for Abattoir for night. How the place to be? We see him. This LTM go show wonder. I say that the very road for night. Time when people they don't go walk, they turn back. Time when they don't come out for road, they tell motor never go for Abattoir, never they will trouble day. Now read pavier. Yes, for come over right, they don't fix and fine with pavier. But when pavier don't finish, never they will trouble don't start. When I look and fine. When ATM want show am, it take time show am. The way you use yourself, you go for there, you go see am. Yes, they still there for ride, and they don't take another repavier. Place where that repavier go finish na year. I say na year where trouble don't start. Na year where trouble don't start. When I see am, now from year where problem dey. When you want come out here, you want reach for Carrefour Sergio Polo, you must make like 30 minutes, and when at this time for 5 minutes. Only because of this fish pond, where they don't put the road, or na fish pond, or na Lego, or na Pulo, man in no. I say na here where trouble it is. We dey ask question whether it is so, why they torment the population for country so? And why we love the population that on the time we campaign the camp? Because small time, this thing where they show so, small time they go take gravel, go flop them, any man go glad, and then vote. Man we go win the mayor, he go win. Man we go win the parliamentarian, go win. After when they don't finish win, they go leave the population. They don't get time for population again. As when I suffer now. And now the population like go suffer because we now overlike Joe Mimbo and Joe Brett and Joe Rice, where we not go chop for 7 years. Mayor the win for go be for chair for 7 years. Parliamentarian in the win for go for parliament for 7 years. You go chop that bread, one bread for 7 years? No. Me when I begin to vote people that way when I going to see them every day. And now they also tell you since for Cameroon we know the year 12 with the year 13 will be Thomas. Now in this now when they see Anasia. Now in this now when they see Anasia. And they also insist we now vote person where when I see say so now person will get conscience. Me when I not vote person because don't give Mimbo. No. Now in this now. Those ones when I be decided to put up, they don't have to wait now for side for abattoir. Nothing. When you want pass abattoir, you go to for side for Petit Stade Bonanjo. For Bonandale, they decline Adoti as I be showing yesterday. And now so them go vote. Time we don't bad, they call Nigeria Ramo or bring broom. Time we fine, where they enjoy. My number not exist for that telephone. Yes, now in this now. When I don't first see wetty. When I also chop bread and then vote them, begin to cry. We come over that one now, we talk palaver this one, live and countryman. We be talking. People that mainly say they never hear. Something don't enter for Cameroon and where they chop we. It is suck blood. Pass even sick. Bed bugs where white man he don't send them for Africa. And it pass natural television where na broken. It pass for fridge. That thing the way they bring them for inside a container for pour. Close them. Man, they just see them because it's cheap. He just buy them. He don't know whether it is so. Sometimes they move and never die. White man is skin. He don't know. He just buy and buy them. And where that bed box, it don't enter for inside radio, inside television. As you buy and can't put them for your house, it they generate for inside house now. Small time, any minute, picking them for hospital. Minute, picking them for hospital. Minute, uses a day for hospital. When I palaver this thing. So, we meet up for Bonaberi, some power. Where they go for some seminar for talk how they go do for kill the bed box where they for broken market for side from Dobo. Pa weti it happen for Bonaberi for Sito for side for Mabanda where you the shidon. When I hear we go talk.
Thing where they did teach me about bed box where they don't begin to enter for our country, and then they teach we say that bed box them. They follow now all material them where we buy them for white man country, import them from outside. Them don't follow them, come for we. And sometimes that material where they can't say broken, where they don't use them already, pack them badly, then that thing them enter inside. And then they carry and bring them for here now. We go buy them now, come like mattress, come just put them for bed. Life or they begin sleep. That thing them go come out and then they be small difficult for say you see them with your eyes. Now until when they don't suck blood so they big before if you see say it don't be some big insect. So they tell we say when you see them that this thing where you know if you see them because it don't be easy for see, but you go see say you the life of bed something that they bite you, you know you see them. If they bite you, they don't see them because they only hide inside place. They wait time where you don't sleep for day, they come out now come bite you. So when you see them, you notify for chef for your chief of block, or your chief of block will notify for the quarter head. Head quarter head go seize the deal. Where you go give order for mayor, say may go down for field. Go down, go see that matter. If they see say not true with experts, they go spray them, they go treat that particular mattress or the particular room where that in them they. And that this thing then they inside boss itself. the buses where they come where with the enter for the worker go, you feel enter for bus, you carry one for the, go back with them for your house. Yes, they have just announced to me that they have 2 cases. They don't announce that they get 2 cases for Mambanda, where they don't already signal and for the. And now, they go down now for verify very well, say these cases, they come now how? So before I know more details about it, but they say that 2 cases, they don't treat one, they leave another one because the man will be there, he no be there. And to go that place where they call Brukan, that where they sell that second hand parts, where they carry them for day. You go buy them for day. When you come for your home, wash them, and then you treat them with hot water. If the one where you treat them with hot water. If the mattress, dry them very well. Dry them, sute, because that in the day inside. You dry them so that, because they don't like sun to feel weaken them, or feel make them to come out run. Okay. Thank you.
Teamway, countryman, he don't talk him. Live and countryman. We be don't show him, and we return back with him because he don't bat. And when he don't bat, me we show him. Road for Komovo side for Kumba, go for Ekondo Titi. Rene Sissin, he don't come meet up him again. And Ekondo Titi, now some town where big people them they don't come up for the. Rich people then they don't come up for the. But since I love for Cameroon, they talk say one person or person not fit road for go for a village. Trouble day for population for Ekondo Titi. And they don't celebrate so they don't tie the road. I ask question, with the fool now who? Me we see him because when to Raymond talk, he go show up. We know they make radio on top television. We make na television. Me we go for Ekondo Titi go see him. It be possible. Now they do this when they don't publish them for Facebook. Say they so they don't tell them. To Raymond come out for inside Yaoundé, go right for side for Ekondo Titi, he go see him. Now this. When we don't circulate, now take this way we take road for Kumba. After Kumba, they say me we pass through Mabonji. That way we leave for Mabonji, passing at them, they go down on top Okada, then they work on our foot. Inside mud. I say inside mud. That is, I don't bad now. It don't bad now. For those when they should over that side, they know where to wear the top. This road, it costs how many? For Kumba going for Ekondo Titi. Now how many million or billion where we get for use them? And where the money they? Why do they promote them? Contractor and then when they say they don't drop all their documents, they request it so me then talk say now you don't win contract. No man not the shed. See the way where suffer. With the kind of riches where they for that side. People then get money for Ekondo Titi so they pass mark. And now 30 for cocoa. And they say 1 kilo for cocoa now 5,000. People in the carrier now on top head now for take rich for Kumba. And they ask question. Why for Cameroon we get for suffer? And why we get for sing a song before they come help we? This country don't know we country. And why some people don't take the country? It be the same as their own. Then we talk say this so Cameroon now what? But when you want to enter for inside, you see say sometimes thing where they talk no not true. Because people that on side they enjoy. Some side they vex. Some side they enjoy. Some side they vex. This population for Ekondo Titi they vex. Me we talk the truth. They vex plenty because the road not begin for being a Poto road. The road not begin for being a Poto road. And then there was one that said they will fold them. Say they don't tell them. People then celebrate for Buya. Celebrate for Side for Douala. Celebrate for Yaoundé. Even for Ekondo Titi they will celebrate. They are hungry people. They will celebrate and wait now the day for trouble. Me we see now part 2. Me we go for part 2, say countryman. Yes, we see the I say for Komovo Kumba on top Okada, going for Ekondo Titi, you get for pay like 20,000. If you get Kaya, that means say they go tie for back machine, and then you pay 30,000. If you don't get time, that means say you go rent a hotel for Kumba, start the stay for the. He don't bat. I say he don't bat. You repair the Okada after you can't climb on top again, and you go down again, work our foot. This one it not be normal. It not be normal. So the best brother them for Ekondo Titi say, me when I try for make fundraising. Yes. Before governor when they send the contractor when I make fundraising. Raise fund and then buy sand, buy stone, can't do man for this place. Where motor no go to tide again for thee. That one na community work. We na organize community work, now through community work where we go before. If we the wait council go come, but it no go give when a day. When I went governor go come, but it no go give when a day. Better I say, na the community work, it go help. Community work, it help plenty. So I dey beg Ekondo Titi people for fall for inside community work for this place. Me Mabonji people into they come out. When I go see say the place they go flop am where moto you know go start again for the. We come on now. We gonna go side for Konjok. Inside Konjok, we be sure. As Konjok na town for inside camp. Now so business people then they sell, and for inside Konjok, some people then be surprised for see how this thing dey happen. Some people then be surprised for see Konta for Konjok. Then this Konta be there for Konjok, and contractor don't take the road for complete them. Can't be protect for buffer, he leave up. Contractor to take Joe's office for Konjok, bill am, can't live inside bush. And no man no never find inside where contractor dey. That means sometimes one of for inside Cameroon na business. Where the church say so, if na me I get for give you work, and you be contractor, that you arrange. You ask me the 5 million, and then I go take 5 million, I can't give you the 2 or 2.5, and then I remain with 2.5. That means we don't share. When the money go short, that one it concern you. Now why there was plenty place for inside Cameroon, they where they never complete them because contractor it is fear for talks today, so they don't call the money with scissors. You the shit don't quiet. Now country you the spoiler. This way when they do them, and plenty things and they will Cameroon way before contractor one receiving money, they been a problem. I know the contractor, but I make investigation for them. So look a whole just office for side for Konjok. 10 years, 10 years. Where this person is so, where he don't live in, and in the work I free the job in life for the dollar, no man you know they follow you. Man will begin the contract now who? Me we go ask them now. I go ATM for side for Konjok. Countryman, this one now my house or na hospital again because we know say na hospital then they for inside bush for side for Konjok. Where to the part for Konjok? Me we hear you.
Ici, so this one a nouvelle sous-préfecture for Konjok. And since we them don't start for building house, the man we don't get the market, he don't run you go. He don't run you go. We don't know place where he dey. And now they have the question say, est-ce que man we begin the market? He don't know place where he dey. Now more than 10 ans, we don't abandon him. So he don't do sense or other charpent. When I see he don't sing other place he don't sing him. All that kind of thing now. Now you with the house government. Say vraiment, tant we them the give market, them not know person with them the give market, who them the give that so market for say we dey come be. Na you with the house Papa Paul Biya, na you dey na premier magistrat for Cameroon, na you the first man for Cameroon, Papa Paul Biya. This kind of money where people them they come chop, them abandon them go. You go talk say wait. If it not be na only you, where you go talk, where people them go here, where you go and sue minister, where minister go here, when I see. Sous-préfecture from Konjok. When I see sous-préfecture from Konjok. The whole big arrondissement from Konjok. When I see sous-préfecture. When I see him, where since where the man we don't take the market, he don't abandon them and he don't go. Now you with the house government say now money for contribute Cameroon where them don't come fix them. And now you with the house say man we don't give the market. If I say government follow you and say he can't finish, this is what we people from Konjok and the one for Cameroon where them will come for come shine the book, say them meet up, say the place is fine.
Wonderful. See, dans the sous-préfecture, we some man don't take from 10 years to today. We don't know say that man day who don't die. Once every day, then call you say they come continue we work. The man we do wonderful. Dans sous-préfecture, there's no that house way sous-préfet can be for the sous-préfet de just no. with the bill down, we will do horse like they do for the man we pay chef de taxi say merci the call that man say continue you work. Conjo no more compare a day for Cameroon. We do the wonderful day. We man the talk work and only finish. Then Conjo no more compare no day for Cameroon. And once a down man come and make say what go before.
Happen for that side as when they see them. So me when I know say this so side for Konjok they over suffer. And governor for Cameroon don't over invest for that side for Konjok. They get problem and they get problem too for hospital to them. And then contact them way contact to them don't abandon them. Yes, it did plenty. So there is also back Ngomna. Now Ngomna he know all thing for Cameroon. And Ngomna he give this contract. A whole just office. Do he on office they live for inside bush. Contractor they he can't quit. Man will begin contract they can't quit. They know they talk. Live you countryman. Yes. We also they show them one day they go fix them. But we get the confidence say anything where they pass for Tory House for LTM and then we show them how it will work after we show them how they don't fix them. Now we on way for tech fix the country. Since I will not get the power for give man contract because if now we be the give contract for person, we for the follow it every day and night for see how they work. Any man will call the number, he says he had the celebrity because with the toxin na WhatsApp number, but there is also insist for call. Time for calling, it will reach. We put also remember side for Konjok again. Letters. Some places where they will ever judge people. That way you get matter. Yes. And person where we then a chief judge, it will be a duo for Konjok. Any duo where they will send for that side, it will be a person we in know for judge case. No far for bring peace. We could go see now the court, administrative court for site for Konjok. How it don't be now. Match fire. Hey. I said this one, they call them of tribunal to me. And when the administrative court, now where they be the judge up, now they hold this. Now they put this. Where he win, he don't can carry the zinc, go with them. No man not ever buy zinc, bring them. Now they know the judge no case again for this place. He don't turn now inside butch. And all this one is also with money for tax where we pay them for saving the fish come today. When they deliver inside food store, it is fine with our country people. Are the answer? This one now place where now call where they be the judge case them for that side. When I see the condition where they are now. When I look now change than this. Now here when man way get trouble, they can't shit down. Then the person where you now get trouble, shit down. Now the table that way, do the shit down for back. Then when I sit over in front, if they ask one a question, they don't leave the chair and two with the table for inside. When they fall on top, since we zinc, it will come out when now wind can carry them. Why we the over neglecting where we don't use money for tech buyer for this country? Now zinc them that. Other people that don't can thief zinc them, go with them. No man not the talk. No man not the talk. And no man no one ask and whether this so we could do how for bring this court again back. Wait when I can't tell when I picking them. They go scan see and they go see another Facebook page for LTM. Say this so some building be there for Konjok way it be in a place where they be the judge people. Simon time they go fall and when they go fall, your history go lost. Your history go lost until where they go come find some way to remand. So to remember man, it they all side for Cameroon. Me we try and I beg the population was side for Konjok. Me they organize community work. Me mommy then come out with hoe. Me papa then come out with collapse. Me they chapter this grass. Make a me the place it dey clean. Even zinc you know they on top. Country people. I pay my honor with community work. Because if chief he talks to me they come out tomorrow, go clean this place, they will come out, go clean them. So chief for side for Konjok. When I organize community work, go chapter this place, put and make clean. Me we ask about I for ATM. Countryman, you say this house, it be been a house for waiting. Me when I hear thing where I for ATM they talk. Much fire.
So this house, this building way there for my back. Now for here way the baby make tribunal coutumier. Don't for here this one we wanna see for my back so na tribunal coutumier baby pass for here. And now since we the bank don't come so to carry am since that time them never arrange am. And we don't know this one na money way people Cameroon them to spoil am. Una see how we the house be. For ce say them don't abandon am. We them don't abandon am. We na for here we Monsieur le sous-préfet from Konjo et be make tribunal administratif. Tant we you get tribunal coutumier. Tant we problem dey you come porter plainte for sous-préfecture. Na for here we them become do all thing for tribunal coutumier. Na you we una see how we all grass don't cover time. For ce say since we thing don't fall. Na you we una see am so. Na you we also has government say vraiment pas. Na so way they must do something. I sure say all the rapport they must be say na they work this the worker. They has it be men at tribunal coutumier for here and now we see how we all grass don't flop for inside the house. Na you we the house am so. Est-ce que na so way money for Cameroon's ball being that one in the question.
So when I say self, when I don't see them, and with the time all man way they participate for this program for your own way. Some people in their way they want to say me na so to the house a bikini wakale people them for that side for Bayemen. They tell we say this so rain down for yesterday for Bayemen and then 3 them down 4 block route since for sharp morning time. No man in never come out for inside village for goes on site. But with the way say this so me then too for that side me they put the Android phone so video am and then send them for we make and make people them then talk. Yes. If we are not make us so, that means say we not understand. We salute man where they call and say Shea Omam. Yes, Shea Omam we na title holder for Benshua Village. It is now for front television for Benshua Village. They watch the program and they say they on top wine member they enjoy their ring road where government for Cameroon it don't decide for move Donga Mantum division for inside doors and inside mud. So small time they go work on top Konta. Although small time when they go for Tontron, we will look how the road when a ring road number 11 a day. Yes, we could also follow them. Time where they walk them and time where they could tara, we could follow them. Yes, but if I say me rent in no meet up and because if rent in meet up only more way could be a key man pay. Yes. We go also the talk and we salute all man for site for Tabiken, for Campbell, for Binka, and those who they did for site for the other side for Upambot, and those who they did for Bay. We not forget those for site for Ndu. We salute all man for that side for Wowo Village, and we salute Mr. Alaji. We na business man for that side for Ntumbo. We salute to some my brother we na businessman for that side for Ndundu. Yes, businessman for Ndundu. Now they supply zinc, sand, and the rest for that side for what? We salute all man for what? And so we salute to the front for side from Bar. We did for that side from Bar Palace. We salute to the front for side for Coop Village. We salute all man for that side for Wanti. We salute Mwangri and we salute those for that side from Babi. We not forget those for that side for Chop Village, and we salute the youth them for that side where they do fine work for make and say me the Chop Village is clean. We dey greet those who they do for that side for Bongom. Yes, for side for Bongom, we salute to Mr. Dimla Oliver, we a businessman for side for Bongom, and we salute the and the family. We salute the population of that side and those for Njap and Fongi. They did now for front that television. Anyhow, we did so small time. Yes, some tournament they way it get for take place for Chop Village. Me villages them for that side me then start they prepare because announcement it get for enter for Donga Amantum community radio small time. So me any village is start they make the training because it not go easy. Now we got to start calling. First caller, don't believe me. First caller. Ye on them now. Now you could tell we. When you want to call this program, I beg any person me try way for off the volume for your TV. I beg one and I back up. Hello, Countryman. Hello? Okay. Countryman don't go. 65060848. Now number that where you get for user for call. And then another one now 695-539-094. So you go use now the two number them so that me we talk. We decided all man for side for Motengene. We know they forget my people and for that side for Limbe. Even people that where they for side for Dibuncha. We salute them. We salute all man for that side for Munya. We know they forget to those who they did for that side for Buyatan. My 17 where they don't flop now for follow with Tureman is sent for upside. Yes, we decided to those where they did for side for Tico. We know they forget Chifu. Yes, sister Chifu Ivolet where they follow up. Yes, who they again? When are the bib now bib? They bib again for Cameroon. Hello, Countryman. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
How you doing?
They're fine.
Who they call the person then of our side?
Oh, now Mr. Chit about to call right from Kribi.
Yes. How about Kribi this morning time?
Kribi, they're fine. Kribi, they will get under some kind heatless there for Kribi now. So.
Now what you did there?
Heatless they say, now the one we will burn man up.
Where? When I Asha?
Yes.
What do you want to bring on today?
Yes, that is someone appreciate for the kind of story, the thing, the way they show, and then they did that, like that judgment court where they do up and then, so many people, they know them for the village owner.
Mango no say what.
Yes.
So, anyway, thank you. Now, first caller, we don't call for side for Kribi. He talk about the court where they don't live on for bush, for side for Konjok. Another caller there again. Yes. He didn't say another caller day. But some they call through WhatsApp and we will not succeed for take them because it could take we plenty time. Yes. Some they call for WhatsApp. Countryman. Yes. 695-539-094. Or you feel call them too for the other number 675-243772. We will also pick them because he didn't say the other number a one disturb we. Yes. Satan won't take the number, you not go succeed. Mr. Satan. Mr. Satan, you want come for inside house for God how? We great chief for chief way there for that side for Misaka. Yes. Chief from Misaka village. Countryman. Yes, it the call but we not see how. It the corner how, it the beep na beep. Me when I no beep. Hello, Countryman. Hello. He they call they pick the toggy. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Okay. I'll be sure say sometime. And network the hamburger. Hello. Some the disturb not disturb. So when you salute Mr. Etienne way there for that side from tree, he say this so he like the program so they go past. Say the program over entire body. Yes, now so the program there, Countryman. Anything when I got it bring them, now so it ever be. Anything when I got it bring them, now so it ever be. What did you get them for talk? Now the time this way you get for talk them. Now time this way you get for talk them. Why this telephone one for this way? If I talk now say this so, go Samaritan way. If you help the program with phone, now who? Any man go enter for insight, so songo. Yes. Any man talk, salute me no, Countryman, salute me. The program get problem for telephone. When I go buy them, they say no. No, nah, yes. Now share OJ, yes, share OJ. When I picking for up and board where they toss it, so he says again for support the program for buy phone. You see, and these people them when they talk to them, he say they don't talk. Some more time when I will get better phone for you, we know they disturb again. And person where they call say Dr. Maji, he says say this so he more try way for say me to the man he get new phone. Hello? Hello? Paul Peter for that side for Timber, he talks to this so this money where we take and go spoil and for inside bush. Or will it be something and then leave an inside bush, say no fine. Better they go buy na Okada. Give them for Okada people them, they go leave thief. Or they go buy and give them for them, they go leave gun and then come back for town. Come on for side for Timber. Maros for side for Maros, it is same with message for side for Bafosa. Maros said so all this operation where they do them. Why did they choose now only time for 20 minutes? Say they begin for to do the control anytime. Say they not begin for choose now only time for 20 May. Hello, countryman.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Who gets the talk and the person there for side?
I'm Mr. Mpo from Kribi.
Mr. Mpo for Kribi. Yes, with you, sir.
I thank me for all things so negative.
Yes.
If that village from Kojo, now true, they no man, they don't get cheap for how.
Now, Christian, we say we ask them.
That's a good step for all the people that has come to keep the place. Before government has put on.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. It is also great those people that were there for that side. For every time, we salute all man for Sokapam. We salute people that were there the other side too for side for Edina. Hello?
Hello, General.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, General.
Who there for line and the person there for side?
Now, NSD call you from village for airport for Bunaberi.
Yes. Oh, Mr. Eric. This my man. Now people in this way that they enjoy. So, Mr. Eric, what did bring you for this story as?
I swear, leave am General. So one day we don't show me, don't worry, my head suit. That be where you show me, so I tell you my head don't.
Now your countryman?
Please forget that kind of countryman, General. That man, so the need for go look there way be the sleep. You catch all neighbor them way be the sleep around. Because they know there's that man there's no baby. Now them the corrupt country, me they go so catch all neighbor them way for place around way be the stay. Because it is so not correct. Because when person there so that ID card them there so they don't know whether they don't keep people and kill them. Take money or do how. Me they go so just investigate carry all man for around way be the sleep.
Thank you, countryman.
Thank you to General.
Yes, we take another call again. Hello, countryman.
Hello, General.
Yes, how are you?
No fine, sir. Morning, no.
Morning, Nigerian boy. You the corner for which side?
No, the corner boy. I'm my number the place now. Nigerian number na boy.
Where do you carry you bring am for 3 years?
Pastor, General Corner, Master, na concerning the cost for me to go to boy. We dey reach to this side too.
That very matter again. That means that they never fix am.
They never fix am. General Corner, no get the cost for me to go. We need cost for go to boy. My life is not risk. We beg mayor for we to boy now. We beg mayor. We need queue mayor. Mayor we beg who. Share we put na the cost for me to go. Bentley road we road white. We cost go to we on security now.
Voilà. So mayor the year. And we don't send book for mayor say mayor buy even a chop.
Yes. I like that. I like that. I talk with the mayor buying a chop. Even a chop pen go me go give it to boy to give it look so we will be cross road.
Yes, I don't talk. I go buy the chalk. I will bring them for my 17. We'll make that work. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
How are you now?
No, so me for Kribi the one call again.
Yes.
Yes. I will just want to read some message where some agencies them they just use passenger them like how like say they been at their slave there. Some agents say me somewhere to talk some agency they will you ever talk to for get stay for them. When they there for that side for go for food market. Yes. That means they know the respect time for the passenger, they know the driver safe the warning. I've been victim for that agency now about 2 times this on the 24th February. We are come up Amanda. They talk to motor to come up for 9 o'clock. We come up for 1 o'clock.
No trouble, no day. We will talk that one. When program finish, you call we countryman. when the program not finish, you call we, you tell we. So that we know the agency. Agency them plenty where they disturb passenger. And driver them too, they be road. Yes, we not fine. We salute those who they did for that side for Sa Village and those who they did for that side for Mbembe. We salute all man for side for Ako. We not forget I for ATM for Ako. Where they call him Mr. Ndo Kata. Yes, USSF he did for front television. Hello, sir. Hello? Call don't go. We wait another person because more time we will go. We tell all those who wait the time way for make us say me then subscribe for the YouTube channel. Yes, we YouTube channel. Hello, countryman. Hello. Off the volume for your TV.
Hello, countryman.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Who they talk and the person they was like?
Yeah, I've been like man at the government.
Yes, I hear say the way that sick way they come out one man country don't can reach.
Don't buy
Yes, talk am.
That sick, you don't worry, the word to friend you for them. And once you come not trying to live nowhere.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. May we take this other man again. Countryman. Hello?
Yeah, good morning, man.
Good morning. Who did it? Good morning. We take another man, Mr. Alfred. Hello? Hello? When you call, we just come up for tell some man say me off volume for TV. You did hear how we did tell you, but you did call, you put your own volume for TV. When I know say that only program where when I get chance for talk for you, when they go close the chapter for calling when I will know. Hello?
Hello?
You say already you take off the volume for your TV before you talk.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon now, who did it?
I'm actually waiting for a report from your only.
Yes. For which place for your
I
place?
want to talk now about that Palava chick where Jana may not catch that money so.
Yes.
I want to ask whether they never catch us to put another water because anytime when I show them where they catch them, I know the year they put the money. What they do, they didn't secure them. They catch the money put on one side.
That means the show say we will not be Jana, we will not be answer that one. You feel
no, you be my way the trip now. Don't see the way they come cover all things in the Cameroon. Brother.
Anyhow, with it. Thank you.
Okay.
So, we receive we own a country. Anything we concern say they don't catch money. Also the team Monday. Don't know that one when I go ask them for gendarme. Now them they catch people. We know the catch with people. Them. Any man be free for Cameroon. I call even now we will live and say me all things they free. So with the social talk say this, so if you get your picking, when the picking hand and long, start the drag your ear for us. When picking now start the tip for inside pot. No say more time, it will go for neighbor. After neighbor, it will go for junction. Mr. Francois, the program don't finish. Me will not chop time. Yes. Yeah, because if we chop time, it's more time. They go say, yes. So, first message, we descend them for offside. Me when I listen and fine. And some people in the tech play and will be important. Those where they live, they are picking them for taxi drivers, for Okada driver, they carry picking for morning time, go leave them for school, go carry them, bring them for us. You check say that man na confidence person. Then when the taxi man or the Okada man, he go get network, he go carry a picking, you know who can't see him again. And even the Okada man, you know who can't see again. Me when I stop for the send people that me they go carry picking them for school. Because none of that people them, they be put picking for woman belly. If you decide for married, and you woman you accept for married, no say this so you get for take care for your picking them. That thing where you the married woman come for inside house, say this so he not get for cook. He they go put fingernails in and so then long. He not get for wash clothes. Wait till the show say you be married woman now. Because married woman that the year na test for you chop where don't cook am. House girl who can't cook fine, your master go test and fine ye. Tomorrow, he go move you for outside, take your house girl, lay your house wife. You don't lose. Plenty girl and they so where they don't know for cook even Nigeria rice, but they there for marry house. That one a shame. That one a big shame. And again, those where they there for side for Buea, we still back mayor and parliamentarian. If they're not here, we could go see na parliament chief for Buea. For say me try for help we will chalk. Me we add water for the Mag road where they come out from my 17 enter for inside Buea town. Because that road accident happened plenty. Since then when I don't go see mayor never do no action. Campaign they come, election they come, when I go so vote again because it go give on a breath. That one now when a problem for that side. Any man where he get WhatsApp number, when you there for inside group, whether something they vex you or something they find you, no na all thing where they talk and for inside group. No na all thing where they talk for group. And no na all thing where they answer them for group. So you come before you talk something for group, where you know work for your head. You call you for backside, you talk for you, no you no get for on the answer you for group. When I the answer for inside group, so argument they come out plenty. When I know say for Cameroon, people that they overfind posts. Some people that they find posts now through WhatsApp group. Some people in there where they work at the whole day, where they find work where they work, they know see. But some people in there for inside WhatsApp group, where you just post something, you just come for the chat, can't argue. Where you just post something, you just can't argue because now you know all thing. When they find post, so they pay when how much? Nothing. So you know correct. Me when I know they talk for inside group, them careless. When man talk bad for group, call you for your private number, and then you talk for you, say that thing where you don't talk, you not correct. Me you cancel the talk. Not your enter for the your answer. It create a problem. So for those where they don't know, Lobel come over that place, use the palaver telephone, minute. When you hold your Android phone this size, when I look my hand, when I look size for telephone, any problem where when I first time for when a village or for when a quarter for when a town, you get for hold your Android phone so you video am. When you finish video am, look some people that for that very quarter or that town. Me then talk wait away it pass. When I send them for we for that number. When I hear no? Yes. So with the time, all the correspondent for side for Ako, correspondent for side for Cambe, correspondent for that side for Manfe, correspondent for that side for Santa, correspondent for Sancho, and correspondent for Mbanga, correspondent for that side for the one for Tombel. Yes. So whether don't disappear for us, we know the year. Correspondent for that side for Buea. Wakaman, yes, he could come back now with the power, and then correspondent for side for Konjok, and then all the correspondent for Njangi House, they did now, they work now how they could do for Barkari Salah. So we time now they can say Mr. Francois Naï the match all button every day for this program Njangi House and program where God don't protect them. Mr. Lobe, he says in a man for telephone, he just reach for office now. He day for telephone now. Sour boy, yes, he day for camera. Man will be the control Facebook page and the sound system. They call and say, Landis say way now they share all woman. If you find woman for LTM, pass they post put your application for Sayway office. Yes. Any man will want to see today man, me meet up here for your office. Yes. Where you come for Santa Barbara, and then you ask Sayway today as day, and then you come, they go show you office for Turi House. So some people they know they work for inside group say no, they for Yaoundé. Say no, LTM don't come up for Santa Barbara, it don't go now for site for back pharmacy blade. Now lie. LTM it then now for Santa Barbara. For Santa Barbara for play over and no for Corner Express Union. If you get your advertisement for bring for LTM, no go different side. Side where the one carry you go with them, they will go to you. LTM did that for Santa Barbara and for Corner Express Union. Bring your advertisement for here. We say your business. And people them for Bindi, yes. Bindi now some quarter for Tabiken. Bindi, yes. They don't talk to this so number 30 day for this month. When I Saturday, they make their fundraising for site for Douala, for Bepanda, for Maison de Jeunes. Yeah, Maison de Jeunes, for site for Omisport. Say me when I can't help them because their palace, it don't collapse. Yes, the sub palace, it don't collapse. Say when I can't rest fund, so that means they get the one way, they feel make place way, they feel get ngando, and place where the soft chief, if it is shidong. So, they beg winner, say mean when I come plenty for that number 30 day for Maison de Jeune can't help them. Yes, say the nothing be palace, then SSF, soft palace, get for B, now, all man. So, they call me General Moko, the only general for Cameroon, where they work out broom for sweep country, make country, not the smell, make dirty no day for country, and when they sweep them, it leave the dirty for inside, water carry and go. We commit up tomorrow, and then we get plenty thing them where we could talk them. Bye-bye. Me will go find the one way we'll show on tomorrow. We don't go.
Mesdames et messieurs, bienvenue dans ce nouveau numéro de Minute Santé. Je suis l'expert chercheur et spécialiste en infertilité, Dr Beka. Tous les jours, je développe les thèmes hépatite, faiblesse sexuelle, kyste, fibrome, myome, trompe bouchée. J'ai développé tellement de thèmes. Mais aujourd'hui, on a affaire à un numéro très spécial. On va parler de comment réussir son traitement chez un naturopathe. Parce que vous êtes tellement nombreux qui vous plaignez tous les jours quand vous arrivez dans mes bureaux. Docteur, j'étais chez tel docteur, ça n'a pas marché. Et je suis allé voir tel, ça n'a pas marché. J'ai vu tel, ça n'a pas marché. J'aimerais que vous compreniez avec moi ici qu'il y a un secret. Que ce soit pour toi, le naturopathe collègue qui m'écoute, que ce soit pour toi, le patient qui m'écoute, vraiment dans ce nouveau numéro, on va partager beaucoup de choses. Tu vas découvrir qu'il y a beaucoup de choses que vous, les patients, vous commettez sans même vous en rendre compte et qui peut détruire votre traitement pendant des mois. Vous allez quitter le naturopathe en naturopathe, des médecins modernes en médecine moderne, des hôpitaux à hôpital, ça ne va rien donner. Pourquoi? Parce qu'il y a un ou deux éléments que vous négligez et puis la solution ne vient pas. Vous savez, il y a tellement de patients dans le monde que ce n'est pas facile de suivre un patient et de marcher derrière lui à la maison pour contrôler si ce qu'on a demandé a été fait, non. Dans ce numéro de Minute Santé, on va résoudre ce petit phénomène. On va parler de comment réussir son traitement chez un naturopathe. Je parle naturopathe, pourquoi? Parce que je suis là pour défendre les plantes naturelles. Je suis là pour vous ramener, vous qui m'écoutez, vers la source. Retour à la source. Revenons à l'époque de nos aïeux. C'est-à-dire qu'il n'y avait pas de centre opératoire, il n'y avait pas de centre hospitalier, il n'y avait pas de chirurgie, il n'y avait rien, il n'y avait pas de comprimés pharmaceutiques. Et puis, on vivait mieux et longtemps à base de plantes naturelles. D'accord? Ne zappez pas ce numéro, c'est un numéro hyper important pour vous qui m'écoutez à la maison. Retrouvons-nous juste après cette transition du Dr Beka.
Ton héritage, c'est la santé.
Voilà, toujours Dr Beka, nous sommes au quartier Tungang. Bébé Beka en position. Et on ne vient jamais voir le bébé sans rien.
Dr Beka, en Afrique, tu as donné la guérison. En Europe, tu as donné la guérison. Ici en Asie, tu as donné la guérison. À Dubaï, tu nous as donné la guérison. Au Cameroun, là, tu as donné la guérison.
Non, l'autre ici pèse beaucoup, il faut un garçon gars.
Qui là-bas, non? Que ça pèse?
Même en Inde, tu as donné la guérison.
Moi, il y a des qui ne viennent pas voir le bébé sans rien.
Dr Beka ne l'a jamais haut. Parce que ici à Dubaï, ils sont abonnés au. Les Chinois, les
Je sens que tu es gâté, les gamins.
Ah, je suis gâté, ouais. Je suis gâté.
Ah, c'est les jets, non?
Papa. Merci. Bon, beaucoup là, beaucoup problème. Beaucoup problème.
Voilà. Non, maman, voilà.
Les enfants là, qui là-bas, non?
Voici le bébé. Viens voir le grand-père. Elle va manger.
Elle veut manger.
Oh, madame.
Elle veut manger.
Tu vas manger? Grand-père, tu as ta petite fille à la main, tu te sens comment?
Oh, comment? Comblé. Comblé.
J'ai pour venir pour ça.
Ah bon?
Oui, je viens de Douala.
Ah,
Je suis venu pour ça.
là voilà demain. La fête dans la fête.
La fête dans la fête.
Super fête.
Hein? Ouais. Ah, c'est une reine. Hein? Les amis, on prévoit toujours. On sait qu'il y a toujours des enfants qui ont remarqué Dr Beka quelque part.
Oui, je remarque la télé.
Tu me connais où? Dis-moi, tu me connais où? Ah bon? Bon, qui me remarque parmi vous?
Moi.
Attendez.
Moi.
Il m'appelle comment? Hein? J'ai fait quoi? Mon travail c'est quoi? Hein? Un grand médecin? Naturopathe? Hey, je soigne quoi?
Les maladies.
Merde. Bah, je suis né le 25 et ils sont nés le 26 et le 29. Ça veut dire que c'est la petite soeur directe de Jésus-Christ. Adeboa. Le grand-père qui était doigt là, donc il ne peut pas. Ah, c'est JP Chenec, hein, sans publicité. Voilà. Hein, grand-père?
Mère. Ma princesse.
Ah, c'est JP Chenec. C'est la période de fête. On peut avoir le grand-papa qui était doigt là pour Tungang et puis il n'a rien. C'est que ça n'a pas donné. Pas les bébés Moutapenda. Ça, c'est les bébés qui parlent à 4 mois.
Ouais.
Hein?
Oh, grand merci au Tchopo.
Amen.
Olivier, regardez, il faut ton nous.
Alors.
Gabin, venez vous filmer, non?
C'est un plaisir, pour la famille de rencontrer le grand docteur Beka.
Amen.
Oui, il est venu là vraiment.
Il est venu.
C'est une surprise, une surprise.
Une grande surprise.
Toute la famille est là, toute la famille est là. Ouais. La princesse est là.
Ton héritage, c'est la santé.
De retour dans cette émission de Minute Santé, j'aimerais partager vraiment avec vous sur comment réussir un traitement. Toi, le malade qui m'écoute, quand tu vas chez un naturopathe pour un problème de traitement, j'aimerais que toi qui vas pour un traitement avec ta femme, peut-être pour ceux qui viennent chez moi pour un cas d'infertilité, vraiment soyons conscients. La première des choses que je vous réclame sur comment réussir un traitement, c'est la conscience. Soyez conscient de l'engagement même que vous avez décidé. C'est-à-dire vous vous êtes engagé, madame, monsieur, d'aller rencontrer un docteur pour un problème peut-être d'infertilité, d'infection, je ne sais pas trop. Soyez conscient. Pourquoi il parle de conscience? Il arrive parfois que les médecins disent « j'interdis l'alcool ». Et ensuite, tu vas voir madame à la maison, elle va tout prix un enfant et elle se bat, elle suit ça traitement à la lettre, elle fait tout. Monsieur de son côté marche avec une bourse dans sa voiture ou dans son petit sac. Quand il va avec ses amis, il boit bien, il boit et puis il part derrière, il se brousse pour que la laine ne dégage pas d'alcool quand il va rentrer. Monsieur, vous faites du mal à vous-même. Je dis parce qu'il a attrapé des cas, beaucoup de cas comme cela. Quand il parle de conscience, vraiment, si le docteur vous dit prenez un verre le matin, un verre le soir. Chers hommes, je m'adresse encore à vous parce que c'est vrai, le soir quand vous rentrez, vous êtes bousculé. La fatigue, le stress au travail, parfois même il y a la journée n'a pas payé comme il fallait, il y a les enfants qu'on a mis dehors pour la pension, vous êtes emporté par le stress. Et cette pression peut vous faire oublier de consommer vos médicaments. Je vous rappelle quand on dit un verre matin, un verre soir, c'est parce qu'on a essayé de calibrer selon le dosage du produit. Quand vous sautez le soir sans prendre et qu'on a ne pas prendre, vous n'êtes pas en train de suivre mon traitement. Parce que quand on dit prendre 2 verres matin, un verre soir, on a équilibré à 2 verres en 24 heures. Quand tu fais peut-être 2 ou 3 verres en 48 heures, ce n'est plus ça. C'est pourquoi je dis toujours aux dames qui viennent dans mes cliniques, pardon, si le père rentre, même si à quelle heure, réveille-toi, rassure-toi qu'il a consommé ses médicaments. Parce que l'homme peut ne pas consommer, pas parce qu'il est méchant, mais parce qu'il peut s'asseoir dans le fauteuil comme ça, là, la fatigue l'emporte et il dort. Il se réveille à 5 heures ou 6 heures. Parfois même, vous êtes en conflit, mari et femme. Peut-être que vous suivez un traitement pour avoir un bébé. Et quand vous deux, il y a un qui a un peu essayé de m'aider. Tu vas voir, l'autre va dire, je ne vois plus tes bêtises là. Il porte, il pas verser dehors. Va avec ça. Hein? Il veut faire un enfant avec qui? Je suis fou, il veut tomber dans quoi? Les chamailles commencent. Entre-temps, le docteur qui est assis au bureau, peut-être comme le docteur Beka, t'attends lundi pour le rendez-vous. Lundi, tu ne viens pas. Mardi, tu ne viens pas. On t'appelle même, tu ne décroches pas. Après 1-2 semaines, après avoir rangé les problèmes de ta dame, Un bon jour, vous vous retrouvez encore, dites que ouais, mais par rapport au traitement qu'on avait avec le docteur Beka, là, on va faire comment? Non, allons le voir. Disons même qu'on avait eu deux. Oui, vraiment. Quand vous venez me voir, vous dites que docteur, vraiment, depuis 3 semaines, je ne suis pas passé parce que j'avais eu un problème au village. Je ne sais pas si c'est moi que vous trompez. Ce n'est jamais moi que vous trompez. Quand vous venez chez moi, par exemple, pour un problème de traitement, moi, il me bat. Même mon personnel que vous trouvez sur place, que ce soit Beka ou pas, les médicaments qu'ils composent, ils laissent la soin. Ce n'est pas Beka qui soigne, ce sont les médicaments qui laissent là, qui vous traitent. Donc, je l'ai mis dans leur tête. Quand un patient arrive et qui va raconter des conneries, si en 2023, si un patient fait 2 semaines sans mettre pied à la clinique et qu'il n'a pas appelé, je romps son contrat. Pourquoi? Parce qu'à un moment, je constate qu'un cas qui pouvait faire 2 mois, surtout, on devait faire 4 mois. À chaque fois, il faut que la personne jongle. Il faut que la personne jongle. Pour réussir son traitement, il faut être conscient de ce qu'on est en train de faire chez le docteur. Il faut savoir que l'infection qu'on a commencé à attaquer avec le produit, là, le castou par exemple, si tu t'amuses, le gars va vite se développer parce qu'il sent déjà qu'il y a l'adversaire qui est en train de le menacer. Donc faisons très attention. De deux, vraiment, en dehors de la conscience, respectez les rendez-vous. Quand on parle de la santé, tu vas voir, on va dire que donc, je ne suis pas venu parce que je n'avais pas autant. Vraiment, j'étais au travail là-bas, il y avait trop la pression, je ne pouvais pas laisser pour venir. On parle ici de la santé. Et moi, il dit, si tu sais que tu es occupé, ne viens même pas me tenter. Je veux des gens qui ont vraiment des problèmes sérieux. Je veux les gens qui ont fait 20 ans sans concevoir. Les gens qui ont fait 25 ans de mariage sans avoir d'enfant. Les gens qui ont eu un enfant qui a 18 ans et qui n'arrive plus à avoir d'enfant. Je veux les gens qui ont une trompe, qui veulent à tout prix avoir notre enfant. Je veux les gars qui n'éjaculent même pas, mais qui veulent l'enfant. Les cas d'azoospermie. Je veux des cas sérieux. Les femmes qui ne saignent plus depuis 7 ans, 10 ans. Hein, et qui veulent toujours avoir un enfant. Je veux des cas sérieux. Je ne veux pas les gens qui vont venir m'amuser. Parce que tu vas voir une fille arrive là. Oui, docteur. Vraiment, ma mère était morte. C'est pour ça que tu vois, depuis un mois, je ne suis pas venu. Mais quand tu enquêtes, sa mère est morte depuis 2002 ou 2010. Elle vient en 2022 ou 2023 de dire que sa mère était morte. Parce qu'elle m'a trompé. Ça ne marche pas. Je voudrais encore faire une précision. Pour réussir le traitement, vraiment respecter les heures de prise des médicaments. Quand on te dit, puge-toi très tôt le matin, tu peux te puger le soir. Je ne sais pas si tu es conscient. Ou bien si tu es conscient que le docteur même qui te prescrit très tôt le matin, là c'est ce qu'il demande. Il ne dit rien au hasard. On va donner le magic power, on dit que prends ça quand tu es à la maison. Quand tu ne vas pas sortir parce que ça peut te puger. Tu entends, elle te dit, docteur, moi je vais au travail, la fille m'a bloqué aux toilettes. Je ne sais pas comment faire pour rentrer à la maison. Je t'ai bien demandé de prendre ça quand tu es à la maison. Mais tu m'appelles pour me dire que tu es au travail, tu es bloqué aux toilettes. Respectez les prescriptions des docteurs si vous voulez avoir un bon traitement. Même quand on vous demande de prendre, peut-être pour l'homme qui a un problème de sperme, mange le concombre avec l'arachide frais, mange l'aubergine, mange beaucoup de carottes, fais ceci, fais cela. Il dit oui, oui, oui. Prends le jaune d'œuf, bas avec le lait non sucré, bois 2 ou 3 fois par semaine. Au rendez-vous, monsieur, est-ce que vous respectez les consignes? Oui, 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 je respecte. Alors qu'il n'aime pas par rapport à toi. Je veux savoir, est-ce qu'à la fin, tu vas te plaindre que non, ça n'a pas marché? Puisqu'il faut qu'on essaie un peu de se comprendre. Un autre secret, vraiment, quand on dit un autre secret, c'est un secret très sérieux. Prenez vraiment ce que je vous dis maintenant au sérieux. Quand vous suivez un traitement couple, quand je dis couple, c'est quoi? L'infection, en principe, c'est couple. L'infertilité, en principe, c'est couple. Parce que l'homme ne peut pas faire l'enfant seul, la femme ne peut pas faire l'enfant seul. C'est toujours l'homme et la femme qui doivent se battre. Le traitement est préventif et curatif. Même si tu n'as pas un problème de sperme, chez moi, je vais te faire suivre le traitement. Tu n'as pas un problème de kyste ou de myome, je vais te faire suivre le traitement. Pourquoi? L'homme et la femme peuvent aller faire. Voilà le problème, voilà ce qui a échappé à la médecine moderne conventionnelle. Tu peux aller avec madame à l'hôpital faire des examens et on découvre que non, ce n'est que l'homme qui a le problème, la femme n'a pas de problème. Et on dit non, l'homme va prendre fertilité pendant 2 mois. Je vous rappelle, vous qui m'écoutez, que pendant ces 2 mois que l'homme est au traitement, il est fort probable que la femme rencontre un problème qui va l'empêcher aussi de concevoir son tour. Donc du coup, l'homme a pris les médicaments 2-3 mois, il est à jour. Maintenant, quand il n'est pas pour faire l'enfant, ça ne marche pas. Pourquoi? Parce qu'il se pourrait que pendant les 3 mois que l'homme suit son traitement de côté, la femme aussi a chopé un problème qui l'empêche aussi de concevoir. Donc, il est préférable pour vous, les collègues qui m'écoutez, ou encore pour vous, les patients qui m'écoutez, de suivre un traitement couple quand il s'agit de l'infertilité. Je parle d'infertilité parce que je suis spécialiste dans ce couloir. Vous allez voir, on a fait fêter aujourd'hui 100 000 bébés sur le continent africain. Ce n'est pas la magie. Ce n'est pas la magie. C'est le secret. J'ai essayé, en dehors des médicaments que donnent aux patients, d'accompagner, d'argumenter, d'accompagner avec beaucoup d'autres secrets qui donnent. Vous allez voir, comme la vidéo de la dame jumelle à Yaoundé, là, des jumeaux de Yaoundé. La femme vient, après avoir fait plus de 8 ans sans concevoir, elle prend le bidon de produit, elle respecte mes consignes. Elle tombe enceinte. Dieu envoie Dieu. Pourtant, depuis 8 ans, elle a marché, ça n'a pas mordu. Donc, parfois, ce n'est pas le médicament qui est le problème. Ce sont les stratégies qui accompagnent ces médicaments-là qui peuvent vous donner de bons résultats. Donc, évitez de vous tromper vous-même. Évitez de nous tromper nous-mêmes. Pourquoi? Voilà un homme et une femme qui viennent prendre les médicaments. Vraiment, écoutez bien cette partie. Pour un problème d'infertilité. Le docteur, lui, sait que pour pallier à ce problème, il faut traiter les infections. Peut-être l'infection à la chlamydia. Il donne un médicament. Moi, il donne par exemple Castou pour l'homme et la femme pour lutter contre l'infection à la chlamydia. Mais je voudrais que vous qui me comprenez, vous développez un peu votre cerveau, ouvrez un peu votre tête. Quand madame et toi, vous commencez à boire le remède contre l'infection à la chlamydia, tout va bien. Et quand entre vous deux, il y a une troisième personne que je ne connais pas, soit c'est la maman de la femme, soit c'est la petite de l'homme, qui à chaque fois l'homme ou la femme part dehors là-bas faire les rapports, revenir encore dans le couple avec, réinstaller le même virus entre vous deux, ça ne va jamais marcher. Vous allez boire le remède pendant des années, ça ne va jamais marcher. Donc pour réussir le traitement, quand vous suivez un traitement couple, évitez sexuellement l'intrus, c'est-à-dire la personne que le docteur ne connaît pas là. Si tu sais que tu as plusieurs femmes, papa, même pas derrière, prends mon numéro, appelle-moi, le docteur Beka, t'envoie ma petite. Elle va venir. Je ne vais pas dire à ta femme que non, tu as une autre petite. Je vais la mettre au traitement contre l'infection, contre ce qui peut nous déranger dans notre traitement avec madame et toi. C'est de ça qu'il s'agit. Et j'ai décidé donc de partager mon secret avec les collègues, avec les téléspectateurs qui m'écoutent à la maison, avec les personnes malades ou non malades. Pourquoi? Parce que mon objectif est de sauver la plupart des patients, de sauver les malades, d'apporter ma pierre au rayonnement de la médecine traditionnelle. Ciao.
Ton héritage, c'est la santé.
Nasengi bobe Unyana sengi na mumwenzi Na obopende didi badisuka Unyana sengi na nae Na obopende didi badisuka Ngwe aye mshantu Menon butunga na nyuyon Quel même inole un tia lini Arabiti menjore Unyana sengi na mumwenzi Na obopende didi badisuka ma chantou le jour que j'ai appris cette mauvaise nouvelle bébé Na obopende didi badisuka Sinde mpenda nae Oi majao diba Mune kombo Muna mundi Muna batoka wa Oko baba bite wembele chantou Les wagen belibi Combien d'ont-tu eu dans ta vie Chantou Regarde un bambé mais ça n'est bébé ayo Pense à ta retraite Chantou c'est pas sérieux Chantou c'est pas possible
parti Chantou, je suis devenu orphelin. Ton absence dans notre maison. Où es-tu, Chantou? Ah, Chantou, eh. Nasenga sese. Nasenga sese kita, eh. Chantou, c'est pas sérieux. Chantou, c'est pas possible. Mouna mouni, mouna bateau.
à danser pour le Seigneur. Ah. Ah. Allez. Ah. Ah.
C'est la fille du greffier, elle va se marier. Ne sois pas étonné, un expatrié. Oui, tout est confirmé, oh, les choses sont clarifiées, Marco. Oui, tout est confirmé, oh, les choses sont clarifiées, Marco. Menishinamo, nous la tam tongi, ziki que son gudja, mangunan va tout temps, me anando, habano que tu, me abas menjun. Wonu la bajin, men tui fata mauma. Men yon chou fatin dang dang oh. Yon chou fatin dang dang oh. Bouillongo. L'élu de mon cœur, irrésistiblement mes pensées reviennent vers toi. L'élu de mon cœur, irrésistiblement mes pensées reviennent vers toi. Bisonyuna, menen songa. Bisonyuna, menen songa. Bisonyuna, menen songa. Bisonyuna, menen songa. Menishunamo, nous la tam tongi. Ziki que songo gja, mangunan va tout temps, me ananda. Abanu que tu, me abas menjun. Wonu la bajin, men tui fata mauma. Men yon chou fatin dang dang oh. Yon chou fatin dang dang oh, melongo. La mariée est jeune et jolie. L'élu de mon cœur, irrésistiblement mes pensées reviennent vers toi. L'élu de mon cœur, irrésistiblement mes pensées reviennent vers toi. Restons toujours marolisés.
Et nous, alors, c'est comment? La musique, c'était quand?